everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Chat GPT with Google. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Chat GPT account with Google, you must have used the Google account option while signing up for the Chat GPT. If you didn't use the Google option while signing up, then you won't be able to log in with the Google option later. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in chat.openai.com/chat and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can see the login and sign up option. Click on the login button and on the next page, you'll be able to see the sign in area. To log in with your Google account, click on continue with Google option. Choose a Google account you would like to work with, or if you want to log in using another Google account, click on the second option. Enter your email or your phone number associated with your Google account and click next. Enter your Google account's password in the password text box and click next again. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Chat GPT account with a Google account. But remember that you must have used your Google account as the authentication method you used while signing up as well. Otherwise, you won't be able to get inside your account. That is how you can easily log into your Chat GPT account with Google. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.